Alright guys, so now that we've set up our basic profile settings and the platform settings, we're going to link up our payment gateway, and this is what the system is going to use to actually physically charge your customers and manage their transactions. Right, so on the top right hand side here, go ahead and click on integrations. And as you can see, the first thing it warns me about is the fact that I do not have a payment service integrated. So that's the first thing that we're going to have to do. Obviously, we need this in order to be able to actually make any accept any payments through the PayKickstart system. Alright, so at the moment PayKickstart has 5 gateways. It's authorized.net, Braintree, EasyPay Direct, PayPal, and Stripe. So for the vast majority of users, this should be okay. We are adding, more payment gateways on a constant basis. So for the time being, these are the ones we support, and in future there will be more of them in this list. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and use PayPal. This by far is probably the most popular one that is in use in PayKickstart right now. It also allows us to, if you want to run an affiliate program, this is the only system, PayPal, which allows for instant payments via the PayPal API to your affiliates if you actually authorize that, and you can do that on a per affiliate basis. So the account name here for display purposes will be the name of the account on PayPal. Actually, this basically here is just showing you, like if you look in the payment integrations list, it will show up. This will be the name of the PayPal account. Okay, so you'll see that in a moment. All right, so we're going to be charging in US dollars, so that's totally okay. And the PayPal email, I'm just going to go ahead and enter that. And then we're going to click connect. Alright, so it's kind of the same procedure as what we did in the My Profile page. We're just going to grant it some permissions to charge on our behalf and manage transactions on our behalf. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and grant those permissions to PayKickstart. Okay, and there you go. So now we've successfully connected our PayPal account, and as you can see, this is going to be the PayPal account that we will use to charge customers. Alright, so let's put that name in that I chose, MagiWeb IT and Internet. It's a PayPal integration, so it will show that as the integration. Alright, so if you look over here again, just bear in mind that the base currency that you choose here, this is the currency that's going to be used for this particular account to create charges. So all the charges will always be in US dollars. Alright, so just bear that in mind. You can create more than one integration though, so if you want to add another PayPal integration in a different currency, even if you use the same account, that's totally fine. You can change this to whatever it is you want to charge in, euro, use the same PayPal email or different one, up to you. And of course just give it a different account name so that you can differentiate between them. But that is totally fine. You can create as many of these integrations as you like in different base currencies. You can create multiple Stripes, PayPals, or obviously across all of them here as well. Alright, so once your payment integration is set up, the next step is to actually create your campaign. So we'll do that in the next video.